Hi, grade 2 Egyptian syllabus. Today it will be review on October test exam, Unit 1 and Unit 2, grade 2. I hope to follow me during this video to benefit from what I told you, what we will make focus on. But before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will make a review on Unit 1 and Unit 2 of the two units that we will be examining in October test. Here we say, this is my teacher. The sky is blue. This is a circle. I have two pencils. I think during the lessons we explain this, and I think it's not easy and it's not difficult to answer this question. Here is we say, this is my teacher. Which picture describe this one? This one. So I put here this one, number 1. Next one. The sky is blue. Which one sky is blue? Number 2. This is number 2. This is a circle. Which one is circle? Number 3. This one. This circle. I have two pencils. Which one? Two pencils? 1, 2. These two pencils. Okay. Let's go to another question here. Let's go to the next question. I have here another question, which is missing letters. What can I do here? When we keep the word, you can answer this question easily. So we must know how to write this word to be able to know the missing letter. Here is called door. So the missing letter here, it will be double O. Here is 5. I put I, then we have E. Here is eraser. I think all of us know eraser. I think this word learned during our lessons. Here is eraser. Here is E and A. Here and here we have E. Okay, this is called eraser. So here we have eraser written like this. This is called eraser. I would like to write it in correct way to be clear. Here is we have eraser. Here we have eraser 5. Here is we have eraser here written like this. I would like to write it in text. It's more clear. It's clearer than I write it by the pens. So I write it here. Here is called eraser. I write it here for you. Eraser. Here is eraser written like this. Here is called eraser. Eraser written like this. Here is, I would like to write here 5 written like this. Okay. Here is 5. So here we have eraser, we have here 5, and we have here door. Okay. Now we know how to write the three words. Here is we have door, here is we have 5, and here we have eraser. Let's go to another item here. This is the sample of your exam, of your October test exam. Here is in this part, I make a review on Unit 1 and Unit 2, okay? The units that we will be examining in, okay? Let's go to another one here, to another question. This, it will be is, aim, is, are, a desk. So we say this is for what? This used for singular near, as we know during the lesson. If you want to know more about this and this, you can return to the video and review what we told during this video. Here we have this, it will be here is, because it's singular here. I am, verb to be am. What space this is singular, so I put here is. Let's go to another one. Here is the punctuate. What can I do it? I underline the wrong letter, then I correct it like this. Here here is the sentence started by small letter. As we know the rule of English, that the sentence started by what? By the capital letter. So I replace T small letter by T capital, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. This is the first exercise. Let's go to another exercise here. Let's go to the next one. Here we have, I have a white dog. Here we have, I have a white dog. I have a white dog. This is yellow sun. This is a black cat. The flower is orange. So which one? Here is all these talk about color. I have a white dog. Which one white dog? This one. So I put here 1. This number 1. Number 2. This is a yellow sun. Which yellow sun? This one is yellow. This is a black cat. This is number 3. I know all of us know this. The flower is orange. Which flower is orange? This one. Okay. So now we know every sentence by every picture that's related to this sentence. Let's go to another item here. It will be here square. How I can write it? I write it in text to be clear. Here is square. So here we have SQ U ARE. So here we have missing U and have missing A and have missing here R. So here it will be what? It will be here friend. Written like this. I would like to say something great too, that if you keep the vocab, it's easy to answer this question. This question depends on what? Depends on keeping the vocab. We must keep the vocab very well to answer this question in the exam. Okay, here we have square, we have here friend. We have friend, not friends, because they don't have SC. So here the missing letters, it will be IE. The missing letter here, it will be U and E. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we ask about color. What color? So here I ask one color. If we want more colors, I say, what color are these? If we talk about the plural. So here this is singular. So I put is. She have is a pin. So it will be here. She has. Why has? Because she is singular. Talking about singular. How many space are there? So here I talk about plural. So it will be how many books are there? So here is the, let's go to the last question here, which is punctuate. I underline the letter, then I write it in capital letter. I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another item here or another question here. So here we have, that is a window. So the window is far from me. I pointed to the window by saying that is a window. I have 5 fingers. This is an eraser. I think all of us know the eraser, the thing that we rub anything that we can use it to rub any or to correct anything that is not right in our paper. Okay. This is an eraser. This is a door. So what can I what can I answer this question? That is the window. Which one? This one is number 1. Number 2, I have 5 fingers. This one, excellent, clever people. This is an eraser. I'm listening to you saying, man, this is eraser is the last one. Number 3, this is the door. Which one is door? The first one. You are clever pupils. So I hope to have the full mark in the exam. I hope you to have the full, to get the full, all of you having full mark in the exam. I think so, and it's not difficult to do so. Okay. Let's go to another one here. It will be here triangle. How can I write triangle? I can write it like this. I can write triangle like this. This is called triangle. So here we have TRANGLE. So here called triangle. So here we have the missing letters. It will be I and A and E at the last one. What is this? It's book. I write it like this. Okay, this is book. So here the missing letter, it will be O. Here is we have green. I will write it like this. So the missing letters here, it will be what? It will be E. Okay. So now I would like to read it. Triangle, book, and green. Missing letter here, it will be I and A and E at the last one. Here is we have missing letters double O. Missing letters here, it will be double E. Let's continue the rest of the exercise here. Okay. Here we have choose the correct answer. It will be here, as we told you, we have a verb to be I take in, he, she, it take is, you, we, they take are. I take in, he, she, it take is, you, we, they take are. I think it's the song, it's an easy song to know this. So here we have it. It take what in verb to be? It take is. It will be here, it is. They here. Can it be they have? Wrong. Here we say they are wrong. Why? Because here I talk about something belongs to me. So the answer, it will be they have 2 bags. Here we have is a window. So here is singular. We can select this and those, it's plural. So I can put it here. No, it's not right. So the correct answer it will be this is a window. Let's go to another one here, to the last one, which is punctuate. Let's do it together. Here we have, what is wrong here? It will be here how. Can I write how in this way? No, it will be in capital letter, and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. This is the formula of the question. I started the sentence by capital letter, then I put question mark. We must take care if you do the punctuation form in question form or interrogative form, we must take care that we have a question mark at the end of the sentence. If we talk about the statement or simple sentence without adding a question mark, we must take care that we must put full stop at the end of the sentence, but start the sentence by capital letter first of all. Then we write the famous name in capital letter. Famous name and famous places must be written in capital letter. The only pronoun that must be written in capital letter, it will be I. You must take care when you answer this question of punctuate, and some of you can have misunderstanding when we're answering. It's easy, but you can say easy beyond difficult. Easy beyond difficult. So we must take care when you answer this question to take care when you answer. You must underline the wrong letter that I corrected, and put the something that is missing that I put it here in this question. Okay, this is one mark who must be taken. Okay, it's one mark in your book. It must take it. Okay, let's go to another one here. I think now I answer Unit 1 and Unit 2. Today I finished from the review of of the 2 units that will be in your exam. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Best of luck of you. Thanks a lot and meet again. Goodbye.